and welcome back to my channel. I have a very exciting video for you today. It is a haul video from the company CHERRYZ. Let me show you the box. Yeah, it's huge. CHERRYZ very kindly reached out to me and asked if I'd like to work with them, to which I agreed to, because I've worked with them in the past and they're such a lovely company and the stuff they sell is fantastic. I don't know about you, but I love B&M, Home Bargains, Pound Shop, you know, those types of, the discount shops. I love them, but I find getting out to them sometimes can be tricky, especially now I'm working. It's hard to get to these shops. The nearest B&M to me is quite far. It's not, you know, it's not a 5-minute walk down the road. It is a drive, it's a bit of a mission, and it's a bit of a faff. So what I love about CHERRYZ is that they are on your phone. It's pretty much all your favourite discounted products on your phone, delivered to your door. It's fab. Nothing to complain about with that. I love having things delivered to me. Who doesn't like having things delivered to you? So let me show you what I got. I've forgotten. I only ordered this like a couple of days ago and it arrived today. I couldn't believe the size of the box. It arrived today and I'm excited. One thing so far which I'm a fan of is there's no plastic here. Even the sellotape is that paper sellotape, which is always a plus in my eyes. Also, before I get into it, I will link CHERRYZ in my description box below. If you use my code Caroline20 on the app or the website when you check out, you will get 20% off your first purchase. Like I said, you can use it on the app or the website. The app is better than the website, they do say that themselves, but you can use it on the website if you prefer to do things online instead of on your phone. Because sometimes I find that on my phone I get a bit worried I'll do something wrong. But anyway, let's get in to it. What did I order? Okay, so I'm just going to dive straight into this. There's no rhyme or reason to any of the stuff that's in this box. I think it's all sort of just been piled in by the packer. Let's just dive in. We have some pom bears. I ordered a lot of food, by the way. Also, actually, there's something to add, is that on the app, I'm not sure about the website, on the app, you can actually filter by vegan, vegetarian, food dietary requirements as well, which I think is fab. Also, most food items on the app, I believe, there's a photo of the item and there's also a photo of the ingredients. So even if it doesn't come under the listed vegan section, for example, you can look at the ingredients of things yourself to decide whether or not they're vegan or not. Because not everything came under the vegan section. I don't think these came under it, but they are vegan, which are lemon puffs. I bought 3 packets because they're Sean's favourite biscuits. I'm such a nice person. They're horrible though. If you like lemon puffs, tell me why. I find them really dry, but Sean loves them. Same, under the same bracket. 2 packs of fig rolls. I don't like them. Ellis does, and so does Sean. Vegan as well. 2 packets of mango chutney poppadom curls. Nice. Packet of pilau rice. Probably the final time I get to eat these, because they're adding milk into them. Bourneville giant buttons. These are pre-adding the milk back into the recipe. If you didn't know, Cadbury's are adding milk back into Bourneville dark chocolate buttons. No one knows why. There's outcry on Instagram about it. Fingers crossed they take that back because it's a silly idea. They're delicious as they are. So these. What else have I got here? Some polos, a pack of 4. Oh, I was excited to see this. I'm not too sure how much this was, but it is vegan condensed milk. I've seen this bouncing around and I've never needed to buy it. I still have no reason to buy it, but I saw it on the website and was like, I'm going to give it a go. Like I said, I can't remember for love nor money how much it was. Oh! Another packet of pilau rice. It must have been 2 for the price of 1. This, which is going to be for my dad. I've never seen this before. Bourneville Old Jamaica dark chocolate rum and raisin. I've got 3 of these. I might have to have one because I'm intrigued to know what they're like, but my dad's favourite chocolate is rum and raisin. So I saw these and I bought them. Oh! 4 packets. Why did I buy so many? A very random purchase. I bought a pizza tray. We've only got 1 pizza tray that has holes in the bottom. This one doesn't. I don't know what the difference is between having holes and not in regards to cooking. But I saw this for £1 and thought we probably could do with it. As there's obviously 2 of us, me and Sean, that eat a full pizza. we can only cook one at a time. So now we can cook both at the same time. Genius. These foot peels. I've seen these online. They look vile, but I really want to give them a go. These have the suitable for vegan sign on them as well, which I didn't even notice when I bought them on the website. Foot peel treatment enriched with tea tree and peppermint to gently remove rough dead skin, leaving your feet soft and silky smooth. Starts working within 7 to 10 days. I don't know if you've seen these online, but it's essentially you put these on, and then within 7 to 10 days it literally looks like you're shedding your skin from your feet. I probably won't do this whilst I'm working. I'll probably do it like on a weekend. Also, it correlates with the weekend, because going to work and, like, you know, your foot peeling off in your sock doesn't sound appealing. But I'm interested. It's going to be gross. Should I vlog it when we do it? Did I order that? I must have done. Sponges made from wood pulp and recycled fibre. They're in a plastic bag. That's weird, isn't it? Something I've ummed and ahed about for a very long time, and I just decided to bite the bullet, is a Dishmatic. I've seen these everywhere. I'm sure if you are on Instagram and follow Mrs. Hinch, you know about these things. It's a sponge. You fill the tube up here with whatever washing up liquid you use, and you replace the, and I think as you're cleaning, obviously the suds go into the sponge and you can clean, and so you have the sponges here. I haven't bought one for ages because of these are disposable. You chuck them in the bin because they're plastic. It's a shame that no one's making a plastic free version of this. Dishmatic needs to up their game and make a bamboo one or something. Astonish Linen Fresh Concentrated Disinfectant. This is what we use to clean our house with. You mix a capful of this in a bottle with some water and you can spray it, and it just works the same as like your Flash and things like that. Some Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner. This stuff is amazing for cleaning your sink and your bath and your ceramic places, because sometimes just regular like disinfectant spray just doesn't cut it. This stuff is great. I do use the stuff that's in the pot, the harder stuff, but I find that's a bit harder to get out. So I like this one. Concentrated Fabulosa Disinfectant, more disinfectant. I don't know what the smell is. It's Fabulosa. It's basically a dupe of Zoflora. Well, it smells nice. I nearly took a sip there. Vegan again, and I don't know what the smell is. As you can see, the bottle got a bit mangled there. And then some Rinse Aid, all you need for a dishwasher. Here we go. I found this on the CHERRYZ website and had to buy them. It's by the brand Fabulosa, so again it's a vegan brand, and it's called Fabaloo. So essentially it's called toilet perfume, and I think what you do is you spray it onto the toilet water before you do a number 2, and then you haven't got to worry about anything left behind scent wise. What's it called? I think there's something called VI Poo, which is the alternative, which is a bit more expensive. Saw this, so I wanted to give it a go. Mainly, I think, yeah, it is what it is. Everyone does it, don't they? So I thought I'd give these a go, because you never know. Elbow Grease Stain Remover Sponge. I think this is a bit like a magic eraser. Is it? No, have I just bought a sponge? Yes, it's like a stain. Oh, no, it's not. Stain remover bar. So it's like a soap bar. Then you put it on clothes. Oh, well, I have to look at that. I thought it was like a magic eraser. Well, that's disappointing. I was sure that was a magic eraser. Anyway, I've got a 2-year-old. I need this sort of thing. Anyway, and the final 2 bits. Oh, that feels horrible. So, I bought a basil thingy for my basil plant, although my basil plant is probably too small for this giant sign. Just means I've got to grow my basil plant. But that's fun. A terracotta thing. It's one of those like fingernails on a chalkboard thing. Ugh. But that's cool. And then finally, because it is my son's birthday in less than a month, he'll be 2, I've just got some of these, whatever they're called, party blowers for party bags for nursery. I need to figure that out, what I'm going to put in his party bags. I saw these, I thought they'd be fun. So there you go, that's everything I bought. Everything I bought here came to £30. How much did I get for 30 quid? That's incredible. I highly recommend checking out the CHERRYZ website. Like I said, everything is linked below. If you wanted to give them a checkout, use my code Caroline20 at checkout and you'll get 20% off. Amazing. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let me know if you buy anything from CHERRYZ. What's your favourite item they have in their store? There is so much on their website. I wanted to buy everything, but I've only got so much space in my house and in my stomach because I bought a lot of food. Oh, biscuits. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!